A judge can't throw a child in jail for not going. A judge can't file contempt of court against a child.
If you want to try to force a child to follow the court's order, I guess it depends on the degree of force. You can't use any corporal punishment or do anything to them that would be deleterious to them to try to compel the behavior. But again, if you are at a circumstance where you're trying to compel a child to speak with their parent, to see their parent, and they don't want to, there's a much bigger issue.
How does this apply in reality? The court doesn't have jurisdiction to order the child to do anything. And what does that mean? The court has jurisdiction over the parties. The court has certain third-party jurisdictions over things like subpoenas and discovery. But a court cannot order a child to say, go to this place at this time. If the child is 8, 9, 10, 11, they're going to be compliant, and that's not usually going to be an issue. But as a child gets older and the child starts to assert him or herself, when that child says, I'm not going, a judge can't throw a child in jail for not going. A judge can't file contempt of court against a child.
The courts will use therapeutic intervention. They'll do everything they can, but it really comes down to the parent. The parent has to follow the court order, but if the child says, I don't want to, it really is a slippery slope from there, and rarely does it get any better. Force doesn't work in that situation.
You're not supposed to go hands-on and force your kid into the car.